The EDS packet pickup system is simple and intuitive. It works by identifying a runner in the race and assigning them a bib number unique to them and the race they're running in. To get started, all you do is enter in any portion of a person's first or last name. In this instance, we're going to look just for anyone whose first name starts with Sam. When looking up people in the system, please be aware that using fewer letters will usually give you a better chance to match the person and will negate a lot of common misspelling errors. As we return these people here, we see that we have Sammy Cho, who is in 2 different races, and another person who's in a 3rd race. To get started, all you do is place the bib number or your cursor into the bib number field and then scan a bib number that is valid for the person in that race. If it's successful, you'll see the record turn green, and you'll also see the timestamp applied, which tells us when the person picked up. You also have the option of adding a note. Say this was picked up by their friend Bob. You can just say picked up by Bob. And that way, if this person comes in and sees that they're already registered but don't have their bib, they can look and know where to find it. This is a great place to take any notes associated with packet pickup that you need to relate back to a person. If you go to a race and set your cursor in the bib number field and then attempt to assign a bib number that is not for that race, the system will generate an error message and will return that record in red. If you fail to put your cursor in a bib number field and then scan for a bib, you'll hear the customary beep, but you will see no color applied to the screen. This means that you did not successfully apply it. So the key rule in using this system is to always make sure once the bib number is assigned that you do see green. That's it. Have fun and have a great race.